Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel Coupon Box, and here I'm going to share the coupon code for Getir.uk. Here I'm going to share 4 fresh coupon code which is working right now, because most of the people are commenting that we want new coupon codes for Getir.uk, because I get lots of views plus comment in this videos of mine. So here I'm going to share 4 fresh coupon code which is working right now, and in this website or an app of Getir.uk, this coupon code is only used for limited time, not for each and every time. Please mind that, and if it is not working for you, make sure you comment down so I'll create a new video for you, because you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code. You can use this coupon code on a checkout page, that's it, and you will get discount according to the terms and condition of that coupon code. Okay, so simply you need to add this coupon code. So before that, make sure if it is working for you, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code.